Hello friends, so now here by having the name of Ma Saraswati, by having the blessings of Ma Saraswati, let's see what's the message, what's the guidance for each one of us. So I am in front of you after so long because as I told you, I am a teacher, so I couldn't get time to do it. But now I wanted to do a reading for each one of us. Let's see what's the message, what's the guidance first of all. So here cards are already shuffled and charged. Let's see what's the message and what's the guidance for each one of us. So Ma Saraswati bless us, Ma Saraswati guide us. So we have messages, we have guidance. Let's see what's the message. Ma Saraswati bless us, Ma Saraswati guide us. So let me take this card. This one I will take as a message through my intuition, and one card I will take for the guidance. This is this one. So we have two cards for the message and guidance. Let's see what's the message is four of pentacles. क्या बात है, lots of like money gain you must be having. तो जो मेरे फीमेल व्यूवर्स हैं तो उनको तो definitely we are watching this just after रक्षाबंधन, तो you must have some money gain. Definitely you must be having hard cash with you, but along with that lots of more money coming ahead for you. Like अगर आपने कहीं पे पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है तो आपको रिटर्न लेना है, आपको कुछ मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा है जहाँ पे आपको मनी से काम है, मनी रिलेटेड कुछ भी चीज़ है, यू विल नॉट फील एनी काइंड ऑफ ऑब्स्टेकल. एवरीथिंग विल गो इन फ्लो इन वेरी स्मूथली. आई मीन टू से मनी रिलेटेड कोई भी काम आपका पूरा हो जाएगा. बट होल्ड ऑन, एट द सेम टाइम at this very moment you need to understand money is also an energy just like we all. So आपको मनी को लेकर ना बहुत ही नैरो माइंडेड माइंडसेट नहीं रखना है. मनी को आप यू विल हैव टू चेंज योर माइंड सेट. आई एम नॉट प्रेशराइजिंग काइंड ऑफ, बट मनी को आप जितना खर्च करेंगे, जितना स्पेंड करेंगे, इट विल रिटर्न इन योर लाइफ इन द 2 to 3 fold. Like it's my personal experience. तो डोंट बी लाइक हैविंग दिस माइंडसेट कि मनी को बचा के रखना है. मनी को स्पेंड करिए, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेन मोर एंड मोर. Lots of abundance ahead. Let's see what's the guidance. Faith. I have faith and trust in the universe and my path. क्या बात है. So when it comes to money, when it comes to confidence, when it comes to fearlessness, when it comes to any walk of life, have faith in you and God, and definitely you will see only victory ahead. Thank you.